What's up guys, this is Masi. Welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you how to calculate the pH of strong base solutions. So as we learned earlier, strong bases dissociate completely 100% into its ions, so there is no undissociated base at equilibrium. So we have irreversible reaction, so we have only forward reaction, there is no reverse reaction, and all its original bases dissociate into its ions. So the example here, you have the pH of strong bases. Calculate the pH of 5 times 10 to the power of negative 2 mole per liter NaOH solution. Although autoionization of water also produces hydroxide ion, the pH will be dominated by the hydroxide ions from the dissolved NaOH. Thus, in the solution, we have OH 5 times 10 to the power of negative 2. So proton is going to be Kw divided by hydroxide, which is 10 to the power of negative 14 divided by 5 times 10 to the power of negative 2, which makes it 2 times 10 to the power of negative 13. And the pH will be 12.7. So as you see here, because we have a basic solution, the pH is greater than 7, which is in this case 12.7. So as you saw, and the whole thing is dissociated into its ions.